This is English Language Arts Week 2 of Semester 1 review for grade 8.
Thank you. So students, we're going to review the following topics: adjectives, class rules, class dojo, simple present and present progressive, vocabulary, Charlie and the advice. So students, we did some activities in the first 2 days and you learned each other's names and you learned a little bit about each other. How did we learn each other's names? Through what?
Adjectives.
Excellent. And adjectives do what? Excellent. So what kind of adjectives did you add to your names?
The same letter.
Okay, give me some examples.
Dana.
Okay.
Amazing Ada.
Bright Badia.
Right, Badia?
Active Ali.
Magical.
Active Ali, of course, we can't forget Ali. Okay, and did you learn each other's names pretty quickly?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Now, we talked about classroom rules. Can you please mention to me some of the rules that are important to have in class?
Raise your hand.
Excellent. What else?
No talking. No talking.
Always in class we shouldn't talk?
If you are asked questions,
Excellent.
Respect for each other.
Respect each other. Wonderful.
follow
Excellent. Share and be polite. And when we... Excellent.
Not to boycott.
Always try. Very good.
Not to
And work?
boycott.
Excellent. Excellent.
Boycott.
Very good. And when you follow class rules and you participate, what kind of application do your parents have that we communicate through? And can you tell me a little bit about Class Dojo?
If you did something good, they give you a mark. And if you did something bad, less minus.
Okay, so these points, what do we do with the points, the teachers? What do we do with them?
They add them, and if you get a lot, you get a reward.
Okay, we get rewards, and also do they go towards your grades?
Yes.
Yes. And has anyone gotten a minus yet in this class?
No.
So we have a whole bunch of pluses, and I think the whole class together has 320 points today. And the top is 65. Ala, excellent. Keep it up. Work hard, and you guys will get rewarded for it. Yeah, Hassan, you will see it on this video. Okay, the next slide just gives a quick review on the present continuous. Does anyone remember the form of present continuous? Okay, excellent. Verb to be plus the verb plus ing. What are the verbs to be? Excellent, excellent. Now, can someone give me an example of what you are doing right now? So, tell me what you are doing right now.
Studying.
We are listening. We are studying. What tense did you use to tell me?
Present.
Present what? Progressive. Or what else do we call it? Excellent. So with the present progressive, we use what form? Excellent. And for the present tense, when do we use the present tense, guys?
Now we are doing this.
We are using the present tense or continuous when we are doing something?
Continuous.
Continuous. Very good. So with the present tense, when do we use the present tense? So when should we use the present simple?
Feelings and habits.
Can you give me an example of a fact?
The water boils at 100 degrees.
Excellent. The water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. Okay. Can you give me an example of a habit that you have?
During my free time, I like to play football.
Okay. I like to play football. Or during your free time, you always play football. Very good. Excellent. Now, what about a general truth? Okay, Saturday comes after Friday. Another general truth. What color is the sky? Blue. The sun rises from the east, or something like this. Okay, how about feelings and emotions? Can you tell me an example? Okay, you are sad, so we use what tense? Simple present. Excellent. Let's do a quick review on present simple and present progressive. Who would like to start? Go ahead, Ala. So I go to school from Monday till Friday. And how do we know we should use go instead of I am going? So Monday till Friday gives us a clue. All right, continue please. Go ahead, Selena.
I am sitting at my desk and reading my book at the moment.
And how do you know you should use the progressive
It
form?
says at the moment.
Excellent. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
These clues? The moment. The next one, please. Someone else? Go ahead, Ali.
At my desk, I'm reading the Bible at the moment.
Okay.
My friend walks into class.
Excellent. Next one. Go ahead, Badia.
She says hello.
Very good.
This weekend, she always plays soccer or tennis.
On the weekend, she always plays. Very good. And what's the clue word here that helped you?
Always.
Excellent. Next one. Go ahead, Dana.
Today is Monday, so I know that she is not playing tennis right now.
And how do you know you should use the progressive? Excellent. Very good. So now is a clue word. Now, vocabulary. Okay, students, we took some vocabulary words. Do you remember the words? What's the meaning of algebra? Study of math. Okay. And it's a certain specific study. Now, what about history? Okay, study of the past. Biology, guys. Life science. Geography, guys. Maps. Studying the earth. The world, the universe. Trigonometry.
About triangles.
Triangles. Okay, so study of what about a slide rule? What's a slide rule? You forgot? What's a slide rule? You should know it. You were excellent, Allah. It's a kind of calculator. You forgot. What is an A student, guys? An amazing student, an excellent student. All of you are A students, right?
Yes.
When I say claim, what do I mean by claim? Claim a truth. A proclamation of the truth. Did you enjoy that song and that lesson? Okay. All right, great. Now, we have other vocabulary words. I want you to give them to me in a sentence.
I have extensive vocabulary.
So I'm going to tell you the word, and you're going to give it to me in a sentence, if you don't mind. Detriment. Selena.
To her detriment, started dating when she was ready to.
Very good. So what does detriment mean?
Marvel.
Excellent. Next word, untreated. Yes, Ali.
I don't intend to have to be treated.
Okay, can you give me another one? Someone other than Selena. I know you're only 7 in class, but let's give others a chance. Badir.
He entreated the land only to keep his family safe.
So what does it mean to entreat someone?
Trust.
To trust. Okay, very good. The next word, temperate. Hassan.
Temperate climate environment.
So what's temperate mean? Something to do with weather. Excellent, very good. Tribulation.
Degrade.
Trials or troubles. Excellent. Can you give me a sentence? Go ahead, Ali.
Tribulation. When Israel attacked three people, their life became full of tribulation.
Yes, you're right. Next one, distribution.
The teacher distributes the paper.
The teacher distributes the paper. So what does it mean to distribute? To give out or to pass out. Tongues, guys. This was not easy one. Excellent. Different languages. Yes, go ahead. Give me your sentence, Hassan.
The tongue of the dog of the
Okay, but this here we mean not the tongue that is a part of our body, but we mean the language we speak. Yes, Allah. Okay, very good. Foundation. Everyone, tell me what foundation is. Very good. Hassan, what other thing do we use foundation for? Exactly. Yeah, the face. Okay, so here in this story, what do they mean by foundation? A base. Okay, can you give me a sentence? Ali? Foundation?
The foundation of the house and stone.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Now we have
Stone.
idol.
reflective. I'm not going in order. Yes, someone other than Ali. Reflective. Go ahead, Ali.
She was in a very reflective mood.
She was in a reflective mood. What does it mean to be reflective?
From the thinking of
Okay, very good. Now, cordial. Hassan.
friendly and pleasant to be around.
Very good. So if you have someone who's with you, who is friendly and pleasant, it's cordial company, right? Go ahead, Badia. Distraught. Oh, very good. Distraught. Yes, Selena.
After he lost his school.
Okay, very good. Ali.
She was distraught over the death of her parents.
Oh, that is something to be distraught about. Recoiled.
There,
Very quickly or suddenly.
Very good. Thank you, Dana. Can you give me a sentence? Okay, very good. Tedious.
boy,
Yes, Hassan?
boy,
Yes, boring. If the teacher tells you to copy, I will never forget my homework at home again 100 times. Is it a tedious task?
Yes.
Or is it fun? Boring. It's tedious. So I don't want to hear you guys ever say boring again. I want you to use the word tedious. And when people ask you what it means, tell them to look it up in a dictionary. Okay, store. Yes, Ali.
To store something.
Okay, it's
I
okay.
will store my books in the attic for the winter time.
So what does it mean to store?
To
Put something away. Excellent. Goodly. Remember, we don't use this very much. This word doesn't use.
my friend,
What does it mean in the story? Because it's a Scottish tale. We don't usually use this. A good amount. Okay. Okay, very good. Enough. A good amount. A large amount. All right. Fast. Fast. Here, do they mean fast as in speed? Okay. Ali?
I am running very fast with a marathon.
Okay, very good. Exemplar.
excellent.
Excellent. Very good. Can you give it to me in a sentence, Badia?
I did a science project. It was exemplary.
Excellent. Beautiful. Monotony. Very good. Is monotony and tedious kind of similar?
Yes.
Similar in some ways, yes. Can you give me in a sentence? Yes, Ali.
She hated the monotony of the job.
What kind of job does she do? Factory workers, for example, they do the same thing over and over and over again. Obliged. Accepted. Very good. All right. If someone says, I am much obliged by your politeness, they are very happy about it too. Okay? Now, for some questions. Listen carefully. I'm going to read the questions to you so you know which ones we're going to discuss. The first one is, explain the concept of wisdom. The second one, what does Charlie do to save money? Why is this action important to the story's theme? The third one, what does Charlie's choice of payment from the landowner tell us about Charlie's character? Now, we're going to continue with some more, but we're going to focus on these first. So, are you ready? So number one, I asked you to do what, Abadia?
Explain the concept of wisdom.
Okay, tell me.
A wise person will experience adventures.
Okay, a wise person is someone who has wisdom. Okay, what does it mean though? What does wisdom mean? Okay, someone with wisdom can give us a lesson. Feeling. A person with, what does a person with wisdom have? Experience. Experience. What else? They think. So what are their thoughts correct?
Yes.
So what is it? So what do they have more than you?
Wisdom.
Information. Okay, so they have experience, they have information or knowledge. Usually a person with wisdom is young, older. Does this person make mistakes? Yes, but because he's older, he already what?
Experience.
He already what? Yeah, he experienced it, but what? From his mistakes. What did he do from? Excellent. So older, already made mistakes. And learn from them. Now, would you listen to someone who has wisdom?
Yes.
Yes? Why?
No, I don't think what he did, I just hear.
Okay, you will listen. You won't take the advice? You would? After reading Charlie and the advice, would you take it?
Yes.
But they're still skeptical about old people and wisdom. You will learn. You will learn. Okay. Number 2. Who would like to read the question again? Go ahead, Selena.
What does Charlie do to save money? Why is his action important to the story's theme?
Okay. Who would like to answer? You would like to answer too? The first part? Okay, go ahead, Ali, the first part.
Charlie gives the landowner the money to save them to him.
So Charlie entrusts his money with the landowner. Why? Why doesn't he just keep the money?
Because he might be tempted to buy trinkets.
Maybe he also
Yes, he will. Maybe he'll spend it on trinkets for his wife or a new cloth for himself. So he wants to save it. So why does he trust the landowner?
Because he was
wealthy?
he trusts him with
Okay, so he's wealthy, but what else do you think? You just trust any wealthy person? Why would he trust him? Maybe, remember okay, it's because he hired him, so he trusts him.
the advice was good.
What kind of, do you think the landowner is a young person? Young? Old? How do you, why, Ella? That's a very good answer. Because he gave advice. Excellent. So people who usually give advice are usually older and wiser. So do you think that maybe he let him, he entrusted him because of this?
Yes.
Okay. Now, why is the action that Charlie entrusted the money with the landowner important to the story's theme? Okay, very good. So it helps us. Does it help us develop what type of character Charlie has?
Yes.
And because if he didn't entrust the landowner with the money, would we end up feeling the same way about him taking the advice?
No.
No, we would change our minds about this. So that's how it helps develop the story's theme. Now, question number 3. Who would like to read? Go ahead, Ala. I want you to do question number 3. What does Charlie's choice of payment from the landowner tell us about Charlie's character? Because this question is on the slide. It's not. It's I think number 4 on the paper. Yes. Okay. So what does Charlie's choice of payment from the landowner tell us about Charlie's character? What was the choice of payment? So he sacrificed what? His money that he worked hard for, and what did he do? He took only advice. What does this tell us about Charlie? And why did he do this?
Because advice helped him in life.
Advice helped him win. The wise woman? Okay, the wise woman gave him advice in the beginning and it helped him, so he took more advice. So do you think Charlie is wise?
Yes.
He's wise for following who? And who is the landowner? Is he also wise?
Yes.
So he's wise for choosing maybe a wiser choice by following what an older person who has more experience and knowledge in life?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So it tells us
Charlie is a wise.
that Charlie is trusting of wise people, and he is wise himself in his trust. Okay, the last question before you go down. What decisions does Charlie make as a result of what the landowner told him? He did till now in the story.
He comes across crossroads which have a very difficult shortcut and a main road. He goes through the main road since the landowner advised him not to take anything.
He stays on the main road. That's 1. What else? 2. Yes, Badia.
His friend George, when they were walking, they found a family, 2 couples. One is old and one is young, like 30 years younger. And,
So there was a big difference in age between the 2 people?
And the landowner instructed him not to go or talk to them, was not to go talk to them. This was the advice he gave him, and his friend didn't accept the advice, just went through.
Okay, so Charlie stayed away. He stayed away from the couple. Anything else? Not yet. We still haven't continued. There's still one more thing. So far, did this advice help him?
Yes.
Okay, so the advice helped. How? What happened to his friend that was accompanying him?
First, he went. The robbers came in the shortcut. When his friend took the shortcut, there were 2 robbers, and they were trying to rob him, and he jumped. And the second one was the couple, the one who lived in the inn. was unrecorded.
Did we find out what happened with the couple yet? No. Okay, but the advice helped him since his friend was almost robbed. On his way on the shortcut. So far, the advice he took helped him stay safe. And we will continue with the story this next couple of days. I hope you review this video well. I wish you a great year, and you guys keep up the great work, and welcome back to school.